Hey folks, I'm getting ready for hunting. You know, we have a little problem here on the farm. Last couple of days, we noticed that lots of coyotes are surrounding the farm, and in the next couple of weeks, our cows will having some calves, and that wouldn't be good if the coyotes are still here. So I asked my friend Ollie today to join me. And we will see if we can get some coyotes. I'll invite you to come along and see if we have luck or if we can actually do something. Welcome to No Risk, No Farm, and my name is Leo Risk, and I invite you to come along. Okay, let me see if Ollie is there already. Oh yeah, there he is. Hey Ollie.
G'day.
How was the drive?
Oh, very good.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
So today we need to take care of the coyotes, eh?
You bet.
Hey,
Brought my toy.
yeah, I'm not quite familiar with coyotes. I mean, I did some deer hunting and stuff, but could you explain maybe about the season and stuff? How does it work here?
Well, so coyote season is from August, so pretty much the start of bow season for deer.
We're talking Manitoba, Canada, right?
Yeah, Manitoba area, just for Manitoba. That's all I know. I don't check the other areas.
Yeah.
So for Manitoba, it's from August till end of February.
Yeah.
I think it's end of August, and you can use your used or unused deer tags or moose tags, whatever big game tags you have left.
Yeah.
You can use those, and yeah, we're ready to go shoot some coyotes.
Yeah, let's go. I'm excited about it. And just to maybe be a little bit more prepared. I know from the deer season we always check wind directions and stuff, because deer is pretty sensitive on smell, and they're very kind of picky if they notice somebody is in the woods, right? So how's it with coyotes? Can you explain that a little bit?
Well, coyotes are similar in a way. So they do smell very good. They do see very good, but I think the main thing that you have to focus on is the smell.
Yeah.
So like make sure you're hunting towards where the wind is coming from. So you don't want to be hunting with wind, because they're very good at smelling. Visual, pretty good too, but I think as long as we got the smell covered, we got the proper calls, we're hiding out pretty good, I think it should work.
Yeah. So do you think it would be a good idea to take Nala along?
If she's not going to eat me?
No, she won't, but I think she will scare away all the coyotes.
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, no, we will leave her here.
Oh man.
Okay, Nala, you take care of the yard, eh? While we are gone. Such a beautiful day. It's almost
Oh yeah.
almost too nice.
Is there such thing?
No.
Oh man.
But it would be a shame to stay at home today.
Oh yeah. Sit inside wasting time though. No good.
There's quite a bit of activity. It's almost like a highway. So there is a high chance that if we position ourselves somewhere here by the woods and call them, that we might at least see something. Yeah, this is a pretty good spot. We have this trail, pretty open here, and to this side we also have some the open area, and also here the whole field is open, so there's a good chance that if we call, at least that we see some activity. Okay, Ollie, I think we'd like to call something. Call it.
I think we're ready to go. Do you want to go in
the bush?
Hide behind a tree or something?
Yeah, let's go. Okay, let's do it.
All right.
We are sitting here for a while already, and there is nothing going on. We tried to call them, but we think the spot might be a little bit too open, and so we just talked and we decided to head north about half a mile, and there is my hunting shack, and probably that will be a little bit better idea. There we can hide, and even though it's pretty warm today, if you just standing here and not moving, the wind and stuff, it makes you cold. So that's why we think we will hide a little bit, and come along. We will show you how we continue. We just arrived at the hunting shack here. It's an old abandoned building, and we'll try to call some coyotes. We'll see if anything will happen. Such a nice sunny day. I hope they will be willing to go for a walk. So nice and peaceful here. This hunting shack has a very good position for hunting, because it's actually open to 3 sides. And a couple of cutouts here. I did that the last deer hunting season, so that we are a little bit protected from the wind here and can wait a little bit longer. Otherwise, if you're right in the wind, it's hard to wait. Usually, whenever a deer comes this way, then you can just simply wait till it's there, and then you can usually get it. So far, we have no activity here, waiting already for quite a while, and I see Ollie brought some different calls here, and Ollie, could you please explain what is the difference between those calls and what do they imitate?
So, this is for this is like a rapid in distress call. So, I mean, I can show you how it works. I'll just do each one once. This would be like a little rodent dying type of thing, like smaller than rabbit, mice, rats, something like that.
Okay. So
Also in distress.
it imitates when they are in distress.
Yes, like so. It's an easy prey for the coyote.
Okay.
So I'm not perfect with this, but this has worked for me in the past.
Yeah.
So like, I'm just gonna do what I do usually is about like 10 seconds of calling at least.
Yeah.
And then you give it like 2 minutes, 3 minutes time, and then you call again.
Okay.
You know, like has worked for me in the past. I've got a few coyotes like that in, but so yeah, I'll just show you how each of them works.
Yeah.
So the rabbit one would be like,
That's a rabbit one, right?
that's the rabbit in distress. Yes.
Yeah.
You can tell it's a little bit cold right now. This thing.
You know, Ollie, if I would be a coyote, I would be here already.
Probably.
Okay, what's the different one? The second one?
So the other one's a little bit of a higher tone, a little bit louder.
Okay.
And for me, this one has worked better in the past.
Okay.
So I've got some coyotes in with this one, but yeah. So I tried to stick with this one rather than the other one. So
Okay, sounds good.
I'm gonna try this one. Something like that. You hungry yet? Just kidding. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's pretty loud, eh?
Yeah,
That should be. I mean, that's. They should notice it.
I hope so.
Okay. Yeah, that didn't go too well. We waited for a couple hours here and tried to see at least a coyote, but no.
Unfortunately not. Not this time.
Yeah,
But we can try again another day.
yeah, and I think they might be busy because it's. You said it's mating season, right?
Yeah, right now they have.
So and maybe it was even too warm a little bit, so they are kind of.
Not for me though. I'm kind of cold actually already.
It was.
A few hours.
Yeah, it was minus 6 or 7 degrees.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, at least we tried, and yeah, we'll see. Maybe we'll try another time again, and if they really do damage, then I think we have to take different steps. But I thought maybe now that we still have hunting season for them, to do it the usual way. But if they actually do damage, then I have to do something different, and maybe have somebody come and put some traps up or something. Yeah, our hunting didn't go very well, but yeah, we tried it, and it happens, right? Good thing is we have our Nala here on our yard, and let me talk a little bit about her. So she's Kangal breed, and Kangals are really protective. She's about 9 months old. I think in April. In April she will be here, a year old, and she takes care of the yard here. That's for sure. Most of the time she's off the leash and around the house, around the barn, and keeps everything safe. Sometimes we hear her. You can hear her in at night when she's scaring the coyotes away and stuff. So she's doing a great job. We decided for a Kangal when we were looking for a guard dog here for our yard. We looked up some different breeds, and then we figured, okay, that this might be a good fit for us. I pulled together some information here. I will just briefly go through it, just so that you have an idea what they are about. So the Kangal is known for its protective instinct and is often used as a guard dog for property or livestock. But that doesn't mean they are inherently dangerous. When properly trained and socialized, they can be loyal and gentle with their family. Kangal's nature and personality are what most people love about the breed. They have rock-solid, stable temperament. They are quiet and calm, devoted, controlled, and trustworthy. They are brave and protective without undue aggression. Temperament is of prime importance for them. Naturally, as guardians, they tend to be dog aggressive. They do well with pets and livestock if introduced them at an early age. They are gentle with children and tolerant of neighbors, visitors, or workers. They are able to judge what belongs in their environment and what doesn't. So that's basically a brief summary of this very nice breed. And there is also testimonies out there that they even protected against wolves, so coyotes shouldn't be a problem for them. They have a very strong bite force. It's over 700 pounds. So if you're interested in that, look it up. So that's quite a bit. It's one of the biggest bite forces out there for dogs. So we are happy to have her here. It gives us peace of mind, and she's still learning and very playful. Sometimes, we have to show her the boundaries and what she's supposed to do and what not. And she's also pretty responsive. So when we call her, she usually comes. She's obeying. Whenever I would like to put her on a leash, I'm basically going to the spot where the leash is, and then call her, and then she comes and lays down and waits till I have her on the leash. So it's pretty good. We're happy with her, and we hope she will develop and be good, even better dog for us here. Even if we try to protect ourselves or our yard with rifles and with dogs and whatever comes to mind, I think the most important thing is, to me at least, that I can rely on my God. He is always around me, and I would like to read from a psalm. David wrote it. a long time ago. The Lord is my shepherd. I lack nothing. He makes me lie down in green pasture. He leads me beside quiet waters. He refreshes my soul. He guides me along the right path for His name's sake. Even though I walk through the darkest valley, I will not fear evil, for You are with me. Your rod and Your staff, they comfort me. That's my motto. I can do whatever, and I should. I should protect, I should try to do my best, but knowing that everything is in His mighty hands. Saying that, I would like to say thank you to you for coming along today, and I invite you to subscribe and to follow us. I hope to see you next time. God bless you.